Hello to everyone. Today I will show you how to make alpha animation on Android programming. The feature of this animation is making your wave to invisible or visible. So this video has two animation types, making invisible and visible to your waves. I'm gonna use buttons for making these animations to show you. If you are ready, let's start. First of all, we are starting at layout page. You can see the picture at my layout page. There are two text widget and two widget of button. And I have used linear layout for making beautiful page. After this page, I'm going to animation page. Now, you can see the animation page. This page has alpha animation. There are two types animation in this page. First one, alpha up and alpha down. Alpha animation, too many properties has. First one, duration. After that, from alpha, interpolator, and lastly to alpha. From alpha and to alpha, it makes our waves to invisible and or invisible. 0.0, that means our waves is invisible, and 1.0, that means our wave is visible. You can change the numbers for your waves to invisible or visible. If you understand all animations, we can pass to activity page. Our activity page, it should be like this. If I have to explain all the page, first of all, I should implement animation listener to my activity page. After that, I call it our waves at our XML file. That means layout page. After that, I call it animations. Lastly, I set animations listener to my animations and call them at our buttons. That's all. You can see now our results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my video.